Everyone is talking about this PixelVerse. I didn't know anything about that, and I researched somewhat about this project, the PixelVerse, and I found out that it is a viral and genuine offer that I worthwhile to share. Okay, so therefore I'm just invest some time and research did, and I'm doing some you know short video for you how you can join, how you can participate with a lot of people that are participating in this offer. So like I don't freak out you that you maybe feel that majority people, like lots of people already participated in, maybe I haven't. So it doesn't matter. So their fundraising, if you noticed, maybe it will be bigger, not yet, it is rising mean it is like continuously progressing their fundraising. So now it is 6 million, if you noticed here. So in the later time, in the future, it will be, yeah, so much. Okay, it will be so much higher than now. So what you need to do is just participating in this offer. You don't need to have any apps, just accept Telegram. Okay, it's a Telegram app. Okay, Telegram has their one website, they have their one network, Tone network, and they have their one, you know everything. Okay, so what you need to do is, here is Telegram bot system, link. So it is Telegram one app, it's not Play Store app. So what you need to do is just click on this link, and here we click on the start button and launch board and start immediately, and it will open for you the your app. So it is how easy is this inside of the inside of the Telegram. It is so easy to use in Telegram apps inside of the Telegram. Okay, so what you need to do is just click on this button, and to zero climb, your point has been added here. Okay, every time they will give you this money, and if you want to increase this money, you need to invest your this point inside of the somewhere else here. Okay, here in the below. So what I need to do is just hover over with this button. Okay, I haven't any experience about that. I don't um, say you that expert in the pixel thing, but I did something before that I'm showing you. So it is like a mining platform. So what I need to do is just click on climb. Every time it will be added inside of your balance. How easy is this? So now what we need to do is, here is in fight option, here is a fight. So you need to upgrade. If you want to fight, click this fight button, and nothing cost you anything. Okay, so waiting for fight. So here we said this game has been started. So click on here, and it will be play for you. Anything like something would be happened while you did this. So I'm doing back. So I don't know how to back here. Suppose it's anyway, and I'm going back inside of this pixel by pixel force app. So here is my point is already like added. If you don't yet like client, your point would be added, continuously over and over again. Here is 200. I want to climb, and it will be added inside of here. So what you need to do is, now we already gone to find option. Now I want to go top. So here is weekly referral. So it doesn't necessarily you need to do, you just keep earning, and in the next time it can be like a not coin. Okay, so if it is not, don't be not coin, maybe it could be like, okay, Bento Tibo token they are giving people nothing people have to do. Just to really they give people being to work. Okay, so if you click on this reward button, here is your claim has waiting for you. So click this claim button and click a daily 10k point, and the number 2 you will get this thing. It is you need to wait 8 hour 13 minutes. So your point is climbed already. Okay, now click on this daily combo play, and here what you need to do is checking your position. So what you need to do is maybe something. Okay, so like this, maybe you need to match with something. Okay, so let's say this on and this on is okay. I don't know how to play this thing, but I'm trying to do this way. Okay, so let's say I cut out this game now. Okay, so okay, I put this here and I put this. It is not like moving. I don't know what the hack behind it, so I will suggest you try your way. Okay, it is worked. Maybe my phone is screen problem. Okay, so I put it here and here. So click this check button if it is work. Congratulations, you get something from here. So click this claim button, it would be added inside of your balance. Okay, here is connect to wallet, any wallet you want to connect with this website. So if you just click on here, yes I have, and deposit your address. Let's say your address is this one. Okay, so write down your USD ERC wallet to receive token. Okay, how easy is this? You can get a lot of token through this. Okay, it's the withdrawal process. Okay, so let's say I'm in the inside of here. I want to claim this token, so my point has been increased for doing a lot of tasks. So here is a social task. If you want to do increase your point more and do the suicide task, so go to the dashboard, and here you will see a lot of options to do. So go to registrations, enter your email. So this one I agree, sign in. So code paste here. Let's say I'm pasting where. So bring your code and paste here. I get my code here and it will be registered. Okay, so skip this step if you want, and your work has been done inside of this here. So here is task option. A lot of tasks has the join PixelTap Telegram, and you will get something from that. And here is your wallet that is connected. So a lot of things. Okay, so this is the task that you need to do. Telegram has been it will be mining automatically, and you need to just claim in order to add in inside of here. Okay, so it is a pretty much easy and straightforward earning and deposit inside of your Binance or anywhere else. So let's say yes I have, and I want to deposit ERC USD ERC20. Let's say I want to transfer this on inside of this one. Merit invalid address. So please put your valid address inside of here. It will work after that. Okay, so this is the work. So see you the next time. Until that, happy hunting. Okay, so this is